Hey, welcome back guys to my channel Good Pocket Change. My name is Sunny and I will be documenting my online entrepreneurship journey, and today I will be showing you guys how I created an LLC for my Amazon FBA business using LegalZoom. Now you don't have to use LegalZoom. There are many different ways you can set up your LLC. I provided a link down below in the description so you could follow along with me. Here we go. Okay, so once you click the link in the description, it'll take you to this page on LegalZoom, and we're going to go ahead and click Start My LLC. And next, it's going to ask you in what state do you want to form your LLC. Now, depending on what state you register in, each state's registration fee varies, and their annual recurring fee also varies. So that's something to keep in mind. Sometimes people will register out of the state they live in because the costs are less and the requirements are not the same. So just for this, I'm going to go ahead and register in the state that I will be in. Then click Save and Continue. And next it's asking, what will your business be doing? We're going to go ahead and choose technology since it falls under that category. It says examples included in technology are hardware, internet, e-commerce, website, networking, software applications. So yeah, we're going to go with technology, then hit Save and Continue. And now it's asking the details of our business. How many owners will your business have? Now, from research that I've done, I've found out that it's recommended that you have at least more than one member in your LLC for extra protection. That's not a requirement. It's just something that people do, I guess, to just get that extra layer of protection. So I'm going to go ahead and say 2 owners. And it's next, are you forming a new business? Yes, click yes, I'm forming a new business. Will your business have employees in the next 12 months? I'm gonna go and say no. Let's see. Then it says, what will be the end of your business fiscal year? I'm gonna go ahead and keep it at December 31st. Then scroll down. Will your business automatically dissolve on a certain date? I'm going to go ahead and say no for that. Hit Save and Continue. And next it's asking, what is the address of your business? So I'm going to go ahead and create a fake address just for the purpose of this video. Okay. Okay, and then go ahead and click Save and Continue. And then it asks you, what is the name of your business? And it gives you 2 choices to choose, basically to see if it's available. So the first one, I'm just gonna go ahead and make up one. Let's say just make that one up, and then the second choice, let's say alright, then go ahead and let's see, it says, will you be doing business under another name? For this, I'm just going to say no. Hit Save and Continue. Next, it's we'll ask, who is involved with your business? Okay, so now they're asking who will own the LLC, who will manage the day-to-day operations, who will act as the legal registered agent. So I guess they'll be asking us in the next few pages. So I'm going to hit Save and Continue. Okay, and now they're asking who will be the owners of the LLC. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Alright, gonna hit save and continue. And next is asking, how is ownership divided? For this, I'm gonna go with percentages just because it's easier. Now, because I put 2 people on just for that extra level of protection, you could easily split up the percentages where you can take 90% and give 10% to the other person if it's just, you know, a family friend or just someone like your wife. You're just adding on for that extra layer of protection. So I'm going to go ahead and put that. Then it's what are the rules and what are the rules regarding transfer of ownership. Let's see, it says please select the consent required for any owner to sell, give, or otherwise transfer any portion of their ownership stake in the business. So the options they give is, one is consent is required by all owners. Consent is required by owners that together own a majority of the business, or consent is not required by any other owners. I'm just going to go with consent is required by all owners. Hit save and continue. Alright, next they're asking who will manage your business. See, please tell us how your business will be managed. I'm gonna go ahead and say, let's see, they have, could be managed by all owners, by some but not all owners, by both owners and other managers, by other managers only. I'm just gonna go ahead and say by all owners. Save and continue. Next, they're asking who will be the registered agent. And now LegalZoom offers a service where they can be your registered agent for $159 a year, and basically that's just where official company documents could be sent to on your behalf. Now, pretty much, I guess if you're going to be registering in a state where your business is actually going to be, I don't see why not just making yourself the registered agent. That way you don't have to pay that extra fee. So I'm just going to go ahead and make myself registered agent, or just say choose I will name the registered agent instead of having LegalZoom be my registered agent. Then hit save and continue. Alright, so you can, it says please enter the name of the registered agent. So go ahead and put that. Let's put 1, 2, 3. Okay, just putting Alright, then hit save and continue. Alright, and now on this page they're asking do you want help getting a federal tax ID or EIN number? And now LegalZoom charges a fee for about $49 with the Express Gold package and $79 for the standard and the economy package just to obtain your federal tax ID number. Now you don't have to pay this fee. You can actually get it yourself, your federal tax ID number, from the federal EIN website. So for this I'm going to say no, thanks. And next they are asking, would you like a complimentary consultation on reducing your taxes? I'm going to go ahead and say no. And next, would you like a complimentary conversation on estate planning? I'm just going to say no. Then hit save and continue. Okay, and here we're going to move along and hit save and continue. And here it says choose a compliance package. Basically, LegalZoom has 2 packages where they can take care of some paperwork pertaining to your LLC, such as like your biennial statement, which is basically like every 2 years you just confirm that your LLC address and contact information is correct. And basically they're charging $320 a year to do that for you. And in that package, the full service package, they offering to prepare your federal and state tax returns, and basically give you access to their library of forms. I would not go with this because most of these forms you can get online yourself, and filing your biennial statement, at least for New York, it costs about like $9, and you do that every 2 years. And they also have this basic package where they could it looks like they say send you email alerts reminding you of your obligations to meet state filing requirements, and also your biennial statement. That I'm gonna pass on that because most of the forms you can find online and do yourself. So I'm gonna hit no thanks, hit save and continue. Okay, let's see, they have business, legal, and tax advice when you need it. I'm gonna go ahead and say no thanks for this as well. Save and continue. And here they're offering to put together your business license package for basically $75. Here I'm gonna go and say no because most of these forms you can find online and do yourself for free. And from what I understand, if based on the research I've looked into, from what I understand, if you are selling from a physical location and receiving money from a physical location, then you will need a business license. And so I would recommend doing research yourself on that and looking further into that. But as far as paying $75 for that, I'm gonna say no, and save and continue. Okay, and they're offering, if you would like to get a LegalZoom compliance calendar, I'm gonna go ahead and say no. Basically just save and continue. Okay, and they're offering a business checking account. I'm gonna pass on that and hit save and continue. Help build credit for your business. Get a free business credit consultation. Gonna pass on that as well. Receive a website consultation and the first 28 days on us for your website service with web.com. I'm gonna say no thanks. Save and continue. Okay, and now it's showing a review of our order. Okay, so just hit save and continue. Alright, so here they have 3 packages. There's the economy, the standard, and the express gold. Looking at what they have to offer, I'm gonna go with the economy. It's $149, and with a New York filing fee it's $210. And the only difference that from the economy from the standard is that they offer you a company seal and binder and 20 customized membership certificates. And then with the express gold, there's a 30-day trial of a business advisory plan, and your federal tax ID discounted and expedited. Other than that, they offer pretty much the same stuff. So I'm just going to stick with the economy. So select that. Okay, and so let's see, the total altogether comes up to $368.95. And now this is in New York, so it'll vary depending on what state you register in, and also the recurring fees will vary. And so yep, so that's basically how you do it. And on the next page, let's see, check, continue, and check out. Alright, and here is where we will enter in our payment information, and next hit agree and place order, and from there you're good to go. And so that is basically how you can set up your LLC using LegalZoom. So I hope you found this video helpful. If so, like, subscribe, and comment, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.